Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. So today Miss Keisha is back and she would like a brand new design. So I'm going to be soaking off her nails. So if you guys don't know, Keisha is the silicone hand that I got from Red Iguana. And I've been getting questions about how you actually soak off the nails if you don't want to file them down all the time. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do that. I first start off by taking these large nippers that I got from GearBest and taking down the length of the nails. And then I lay the hand over the nail dust collector, and I'm going to be using this medium to coarse cone bit that I got from Banggood. And we're just going to take down the bulk of the acrylic. And as with a real human, you want to make sure that you are not filing the sides of the nail or the cuticle of the actual skin, because you will ruin the hand, and we all know that these are expensive. So this is after filing off majority of the acrylic. Now I'm going to soak off. I have my bowl here and I'm pouring in 100% acetone nail polish remover and placing the hand inside the bowl and kind of making sure the acetone covers the nails. I just let it sit here and, marinate. And for the thumb, I'll be soaking that off separately because, as you can see, it kind of can't fit in the bowl as is. So this is what the nails look like after about 20 minutes of soaking. So I'm just taking some tissue and removing the soft, acrylic and tips that come off. Now I do want to point out that these nails had only a little bit of acrylic on them, so majority of this is the actual full cover nail and the nail tip. So yeah, it gets goopy when you soak them off. So my acrylic is not MMA or anything like that. I don't want to hear it. This is what the nail tip does when you soak them off. So I pull off the particles that I can get and I put it back in the acetone and let it soak for maybe about another 15 minutes. And this is what it looks like after that time. And you just want to gently kind of, pull what you can get off. You don't want to pull too hard because you can actually pull off chunks of the silicone. And you don't want to use like a cuticle pusher or scraper or anything like that because you will cut into the silicone. So this is what it looks like after getting all of the goop off. So now I'm just going to soak off the thumb. And I love the posable feature because I'm able to kind of pose the hand to where it can soak in the bowl. So this is after getting everything off. And now I'm going to glue on these full cover false nails that I picked up from Poochie's Nails. I will leave a link down below. And I was searching high and low for some pink colored natural looking false nails, and these were the only ones that I could kind of find. So that is why I picked these up. So I'm going to use my No Lift Nails primer. Red Iguana, the one that I bought the hand from, she recommends to use a acid-based primer first. So I apply that and let that dry. Now I'm going in with Gorilla Super Glue Gel, and this glue is so strong, you guys. You just need a tiny dot of it. And I just place this on the nail tip and making sure to place that nail under the cuticle and just hold it down. They recommend to hold it down for up to 45 seconds, but I hold it for a full 60 seconds just to make sure that it's completely adhered to the nail. And if you get some excess glue that squeezed out, you want to make sure to get that ASAP because you don't want the glue to be on the silicone skin itself. So yeah, I love this glue. I think it's super awesome that, you don't need a special primer or anything like that. You just need some of this Gorilla Gel glue. I picked this up from Amazon and I believe it was like $7 or $8. All right, so this is what it looks like after all the nails are glued on. And I'm just gonna use some sharp scissors to cut off the tabs at the tip of the nails. And also filing the tip of the nails to kind of, shape it and take down some of the length, because these full cover nails are, basically like the natural nails. So we don't want these to be too long because I'm just gonna either glue tips or do sculptures from these nails. So after filing, I just take a baby wipe and I wipe off all of the dust. And I find this very effective for keeping the hand clean because it does attract dust. So the baby wipes really come in handy, and I'm constantly wiping it down while I'm working on it because it just keeps everything nice and moisturized. All right, so now Miss Keisha is ready for her next design. And yeah, I really love the silicone hand. I still recommend it, and it is just so super easy. And I just love practicing with it because it looks so realistic. So yeah, Miss Keisha says bye. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.